hindi ko kayang mag-no contact, hindi ko kayang hindi mag-reply sa messages, sa text niya, hindi ko kakayanin, mamamatay ako. Welcome to the Deval Show. If a person you like treats you like nothing, like basura, then you really have to come and realize na there's only one way out of this, and that's going for no contact. Well, hindi ko kaya hindi mag-text, hindi ko kaya, it's easy said and done, nasasabi mo lang yan kasi you're not in that situation eh. Ako naman yung nandito sa situation na to, ako naman yung nahihirapan. I'm the one having a problem of letting go. The moment that the person texts me, I do not have it under my control, but my nervous system is going to automatically reply. Katangahan. Well, not all, but apparently that's how I see things. If we want to be candid and honest, if you are important sa tao na yan, if that person sees you as an important person sa buhay niya, or loves you, then that person will find time. That person is not going to take 5 hours or 7 hours just to text you back. That person might as well just, maso-surprise ka lang, but that person will be the one initiating the contact first. That's how you see that the person is actually interested at gusto ka, or mahal ka, or pinapahalagahan ka. Kasi naman, at this time and age, sa grabe na ng technology, don't tell me na hindi tayo gumagamit ng cellphone natin in every 15 minutes, 10 minutes. So it's impossible, and you have to think very very carefully that if the person, probably baka busy din naman. It depends on the situation. But if it's consistently being like that, the replies are madalang, the replies are too late, sometimes it takes days, then you really have to understand that this person may not be interested, or before, if this person is interested with me, now that feeling faded, and the other person may have their own priorities now, which you are no longer included. So how do you deal with this? You have to keep that dignity. You have to keep that pride. You cannot allow yourself to drown in a situation wherein ikaw yung nagmamakaawa. Like, ikaw yung nag-worry kasi hindi mo alam yung reason, nag-overthink ka pa. Ano ba to? Bakit hindi ba siya nagre-reply? Did I did something wrong? Is it about what I said? Is it about me? Do I need to text back again? Do I need to double text? Do I need to, call her this time? Call him this time? Babe, let me tell you, it's not you. But you just have to accept the fact that this person may no longer be interested if it's consistently being shown to you that you're not an importance to that person. You're not important anymore. Keep that dignity, and the thing that you need to do is walk away and do no contact. Okay. Kasi sinasabi nila you don't really see the value of the person, not unless this person is no longer, available. Sometimes too much of your availability, yung isang text ka lang, nandyan ka kaagad. Sometimes, it lowers your value sa kanila Parang nasasabi nilang, that person he's always available. This person's chasing me all the time. Parang, he or she is always gonna be there, regardless of what I do. Nawawala yung interest nila sa'yo. So, sabihin na natin that you really had a special part sa heart ng taong yun. And then, it was just like, nawala or something like that, and then hindi na siya nagre-reply, nag-ghost na or madalang na yung reply, then you being absent, no contact pag sinabing no contact, you don't initiate a text, you don't initiate anything, not even checking on their social media, not even checking on their stories or whatnot. If that so happens, and then pag tumagal yan, they will notice, bakit hindi na saan na ba tong taong to? And then what they will do is they will, initiate the first contact. But here's what I want you to do. The moment that they initiate the first contact, you do not jump the wagon right away. During the time that there's no contact, I need you to evaluate, the situation. Try to really think hard. if magko-contact ba tong taong to, magre-reply ba ako? Do I still need to go forth and continue on with the same cycle? Because there's a possibility na they will appreciate you being gone and they will take care of you, blah, 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 blah. That could be right. But there's also this other side of the moon wherein once makuha na nila yung gusto nila, na ay andito pa rin siya kasi nung tinext ko, nag-reply pa siya, ay okay pa siya, o gagawin ko na naman ulit sa kanya yung ginagawa ko. After 2, 3 days, 4 days, after a week, probably, same story, no reply. Then you're back on the same cycle. So I want you to take this time kasi nasimulan mo na ginawa mo ng no contact. Are you going to lower yourself again for a possibility of baka maging okay, baka hindi? Or, are you going to take this time to move on? Kasi nag-no contact ka na. Are you going to take this moment to continue moving on, continue with your life, and opening your life into possibilities that you might find somebody who's going to be true to you, who's going to, understand you, love you tender, love you kind, reply to you, not make you a second option, make you a priority. Reciprocate what it is that you're feeling. Ganon. So no contact can work in ways, but don't use it as a revenge. Don't use it as a game. Don't use it as a strategy in order for you to gain that person's attention. Because in the first place, do you really still think you deserve that person? No, kasi ako hindi na diba? You show me signs like that, that's a red flag. And I don't really need you in my life, to provide me problems. Kasi sa crisis pa lang at bills, marami na akong problema. Do I really want to go forth and continue on? Or should I just move along? Right? Choose wisely. Usually, it doesn't really end well if you're a backburner. If you're the reserve tire, if you're the reserve emergency light, pag nag-brown out, kung saan convenient ka lang, kaya ka pinipili. You're the second available, that your person that, they can run to if they need anything na hindi nila nakukuha sa ibang, area. Think again.